People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless all my greetings, all my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know me always I say health over wealth. Your health is your wealth. See? Well, right now I have a video for sure on the star. A video, my people. I tell you, say it's wicked out there, Jamaica. That's why I'm telling you, be careful out there, you know. Don't know who to trust. Live in this bank teller, nobody at all, security guard, because everybody hungry, dog I eat dog. After the break.
Put TV at the right place, and let's the dog gone away.
Stop it, tell got them head back. I want something with Dexter.
Someone I try all kind of things to go around. Stay in your lane. No stunt. Yeah, man. Someone I walk a big old promoter date. From Jah, I tell you about get fire. Hold this paper. Remember me tell you, son, while I'm not right here, I want something with Dexter. And tell them international. Shut! Remember me tell you.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. That was DJ Stammer. You can go and check him out. Yeah, man, on Instagram. Any party bookings, the man bad, the man can select, the man can talk. You see me I say? Yeah, man, likewise, JNR International. You see me? Big up and give thanks for the support. Yeah, man, when me up on the ground, man. DJ Stamina left me, man, on the road. You see me, big up Fire Look too, who make me know him, you know. And the man show me mad love and respect and support. Play my song anywhere, round robin, country, town, anywhere I play him call me. I say, hey, Mary, come and perform, you see me? Yeah, the man give me more strength than some man on my scheme, some selector on my scheme, you see me? Yeah, not showing a shade still, you know, we just attack the thing real and natural and factual. See, so big up DJ Stammer, big up JNR International. JNR's Clash will come up, you know. Yeah, man, JNR Clash will come up this Sunday. JNR, they're dead. You see me? I have something for you in the pipeline. Saying, yeah, man, you don't know. Yeah, the song Stunt, produced by Round Sycamore. You can go and check it out. Check out the video done in Jamaica. You see me? And the intro killer, bad by Bounty Killer. Big up the General Bounty Killer. You don't know. You see it? A greatness, yeah, man. Realness over fakeness. Alright? Now, my people, watch what I go on.
Do you have the woman's name and number? Or her husband's name and number?
No.
Ask Mr. Tucker.
Okay.
I need to know like right now, please.
Yeah.
John no star, you say wicked. Imagine that the woman come from the bank and apparently, you know, it's a setup as you can see. The man don't get the description of the lady, Zine, and likewise he's on the camera, you know, broad daylight, you know what I mean? His visibility is quite clear, so hopefully he got caught and bring to justice. Yeah, but him forget catch and bring to justice, you see me? Well, me yes, 500,000 was in the bag. The woman just collect it. See? That's what the information I got when I got the video yesterday. See, and the person who sent it to me say, Lionfoot, dash this out on your thing and make the people know say, I that thing I go on, you see me? At Jamaica, you see it? So, the woman, as I see, the woman I get up and she stumble back down, you know. And I say, yo, the man is wicked, unfair. And it's an inside job. Either somebody when she collect it and call and give the description. It can be a bank teller. Sorry for saying that, you know, it can be the security guard, it can be the bank teller where I give the money, somebody else, when the next bank teller would all watch and say, yo, pop on them phone and say, boom, bang, bang, or a text message, quick, you see me? And give the woman description, and man, grab the bag and, yo, may I tell you, star, money was in the bag for true, because he wouldn't have come and grab that bag like that. See? All if 100,000 United or 1,000, 10,000. I still hear that thing go on, you see me? My viewers and subscribers, at them thing that Jamaica need to fix up on the intel, you know what I say? The government need to work more and cut out all of them things, man. I'm sorry, I think they never pass. And catch them blow up, all the plain clothes are, you know, some legal firearm holder. Yo, man, I tell my people, wicked out there, you know, you don't know a lion foot, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. Until next time, I'm out. Greetings one and all, for you see the image of your device and a lion foot in the ears and eyes. And today I'm representing for osanin.com. Now, if your body is not feeling right, go and check out www.osanin.com website. They've got the right cure for sure. If you've got arthritis, blood problem, liver, kidney problem, you're feeling tiredness, you got pain in the body, just link up www.osanin.com. If you got urinating problem, if you want to lose weight, you got thick phlegm on the throat, link up www.osanin.com. Now, if you got constant tiredness, you want to feel young again, you want to replenish your skin or cleanse the whole body functional system, link up www.osanin.com. Remember, your health is your wealth. Go and check them out. Or you can contact them at 07944 893 015 worldwide. Yeah, on WhatsApp, or you can call them straight. Don't leave it until it's too late. Osanin.com. All courtesy of Genesis Radio and Saxon Sound.
We are go by yourself. We are go by yourself. Listen me. If you now go like and share and subscribe and click the bell, just move on by yourself. You're too over impulsive. Real rascals.